everybody. Welcome to another Wow Wednesday. So today we're going to be doing a dry erase marker and water experiment. So what we're going to be doing is drawing with dry erase markers on different surfaces. And we're going to see if I can get my picture just float. All right. So what you're going to need, we're going to do this on 3 surfaces. So we have a white ceramic dish. We have a glass pie plate, it's flat on the bottom, and we have a plastic disposable plate. Then I have some dry erase markers. So I got 4 here, red, black, green, and blue. So we know that we can write on our dry erase markers if we have them at home, and we can draw pictures, right? Design. And it erases off, right? Comes right off. All right. So let's get started. Let's see if we can draw a picture that will float after we add some water to it. Aqua. I have 2 things of water in case I run out. So I'm going to tilt my screen down so you can see better. I have my white ceramic dish. Now I'm going to draw some pictures. I'm going to draw a little person, like a stick figure person. And I think I'm going to add some blue and red heart. So I'm going to do a solid heart, meaning I'm going to fill it in. Okay? And I'm going to do a line heart that's not filled in. I think I'll add a red one too. And I'll do a green one. I'll do a solid green and a lime green. And maybe I'll add another person over here. A little bit smaller. All right, there you go, my friend. Now, I have my room temperature water, and I'm going to pour at the edge of my ceramic dish. And I'm going to pour it nice and slow, and let's see if we can get the picture to float around. Nice and slow. Oh, what's happening? What do you see happening, my friend? Some of the heart came up. That's right, the blue hearts, the solid blue, the line blue. Oh, and it broke apart. But the person, what happened? Did he come up? The people, the little stick figure? No, they didn't. But the blue and green, so the black and the red didn't come up. Well, a little bit of red came up, but the red heart's still there. The black stick figures are still there. And it looks like this heart is slowly starting to come up, but not the whole heart. Look, it came back together. Wow, so it works for some of the colors, but not all the colors. Okay, well now let's try it using our pie plate. Now I'm putting it on a white piece of paper so you can see my drawing better. So again, I'm going to draw a heart. I'm going to press light and I'm going to press hard. See what happens. I'm going to draw a stick figure. I'm going to draw 2 stick figures again. This stick figure, I gave him a curved body. And I'm going to draw a blue heart, a solid one, and a line one. And I think I'll also draw I'm going to do a different shape for the green. I'm going to do a diamond shape, or a rhomba. Now again, we're using a different, before we use the white ceramic, now we're using glass. So let's see if that makes a difference. Let's see if our dry erase pictures will float. And again, nice and slow. What happened with this one? Did the people come up? No, but the blue hearts did, and some of the red heart. The green rhombus didn't come up. But I did get some of it to float, but not the people. We'll have to try to get our stick figures to work better. That's the glass. So again, it was like pretty much like the ceramic one, the blue and a little bit of the green. But the red and the black didn't come up. All right. Now we have a plastic plate. Again, I'm going to put on a white paper so you can see better. And I'm going to draw a heart. And a blue heart. And maybe I'll do a stick figure on this one. And let's see what happens. You ready? Nice and slow. Did anything happen? No, it's not coming up at all with the plastic. So it's not working at all on the plastic plate. Interesting. I'm going to push this aside and see what happens if it waits a little bit. And I'm going to go back to our ceramic dish. Still see the blue here. So I wonder, my friend, if it has to do with the color of the dry erase marker. Because the black didn't come up, but the green and the blue did. Or is it, and that's a ceramic dish. And then I have my glass dish. And the same thing happened with the glass, with the blue. Now, in this one, the green didn't come up because it was a solid green. Maybe it was too much green. I don't know. But again, the pupil didn't work. But the blue. So we know by looking at this that the blue works the best. The blue marker works the best. Maybe we could try different temperature water. Maybe this water was too warm. Maybe you want to try it with cold water. Maybe you want to try it with hot water. You could try different temperature water. This was room temperature water. So you could try different markers, different Sharpie, dry erase marker, not Sharpie or not your washable markers. Washable markers, as soon as the water goes on it, it will erase it away. And Sharpie don't work in water at all. So these are different questions you can ask. Different temperature water, different colors. And just try this at home. You have a dry erase marker. You have water. You can see if you can find a glass dish or a white ceramic dish or a light one that you can see. And have fun with this activity. And let me know what works best for you. Share with Miss Janelle and Miss Melanie what works best. So that's all I have for this experiment today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you later.